just packed for a 5-day trip and fit everything in the 3.0 personal item suitcase, but I might be extending my trip, and I like the idea of bringing more without having to check a bag. So we are going to stuff this neck pillow with some extra clothes. All right, let's pack it. Takeoff really knew what they were doing when they created this neck pillow. I mean, what a way to bring more clothes with you when you don't want to have to check a bag. So this neck pillow is absolutely genius and I love it. The way that I pack it is I stuff socks, underwear, shirts, workout shorts, that kind of thing. And I roll them in there so that they fit nicely so I'm able to zip it, but also so that it's comfortable when I'm actually using it as the neck pillow. Think thicker on the ends and a little bit thinner on the inside. I totally could have added more into here, but I left it a little bit bare on the edges because oftentimes when I come home from a trip, I'm bringing more stuff back with me. So this way I have a little extra room and that chance that that happens. Simply unbuckle it, goes right over the trolley. You can wear it as a crossbody on your shoulders and you are ready to go.